the next topic is that is more electrical components. ठीक है, so in electrical circuits we use a different components, so that there is a different part of the electrical circuits. So components mean parts of the electrical circuits. ठीक है, electrical circuits are a part of everyday lives. अब electrical circuit है ये हमारे पास डेली लाइफ में के पार्ट्स हैं, ठीक है, जो हम लोग डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, electrical circuits are made up of from electrical components. So electrical circuits are made up of electrical components. There are many components that can be used in electrical circuits. Here are the table show a few of them. ठीक है, first one is this is a wire, its symbol is this. Second one is a battery or a cell, its symbol is this. ठीक है, it is a bulb, its symbol is this, bulb or a lamp. ठीक है, and it is a motor, its symbol is this. This is a bell, its symbol is this. This is a buzzer, its symbol is this. Switch, its symbol is this. So these are the different electrical components that are used in electrical circuits. ठीक है, so we also use a diagram and also use a, if it is not possible, we also use these electrical symbols. Connecting components. It is important to connect the components of an electrical circuit correctly. If the component of the electrical circuit is not connected correctly, then the electricity will not pass. So it is important that during the electrical circuit, the component of the electricity must be connected correctly. For the electricity to flow easily, circuit connection must be clean and free from the grease and the dirt. So in order to flow the electricity easily, the components of the electricity must be clean and it is free from dirt, so it can easily flow the electricity. Copper wires, for example, soon get dull if they are left for a while. कॉपर वायर को अगर ज़्यादा देर तक हम थोड़ी देर के लिए भी छोड़ दें तो वो क्या हो जाती है, डल हो जाती है. ठीक है, सो दे मस्ट बी नीट एंड क्लीन and they must be connected correctly in order to flow electricity. Next is the mode switches. These are also the components of the electrical circuits. We know that switches are used in the electrical circuits. So these are two types of the switches used in the electrical circuits. Switches turn electrical circuits on and off. अब switches का functions क्या है? They turn on and off the electrical circuit. The switch shown in the table has two positions, on and off. For example, this is a switch which is used in electrical circuit. It has two. If it is closed, then electricity will not pass. If it is closed, then electricity will pass. If it is open like this, then electricity will not pass. ठीक है, so it has on and off button. ठीक है, there are however other types of switches. Besides this, there is also other types of the switches. Number one is a bell push. This is a bell push switch. ठीक है, bell push means its words indicate that push mean हम इसको push करेंगे तो then ये start होगा. ठीक है, a bell push switch is normally off. ये ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, normally off होता है. It is only on when it is pressed. It's on when we press it or we push it. ठीक है, when the pressure is removed, a springly contact returns the switch to off. Soon the pressure is removed, this bell push will be off. ठीक है, this switch will be off. So this is a bell push switch. The second one is that is a reed switch. A reed switch is operated by a magnet. When a magnet is held closest to the switch, the contact closes and the switch is on. अब reed switch क्या होता है? It is another type of a switch that is used in electrical circuits. This is a reed switch. ठीक है, it is operated by a magnet. If the magnet is brought close to this reed switch, then they are closed. This switch is closed and the circuit is on and the electricity will pass. Soon if the magnet is reed switches are widely useful in burglar alarm. ज़्यादा किसमें यूज़ होते हैं, यूज़फुल होते हैं burglar alarm circuits में. A reed switch is fixed to a door or a window frames and a magnet is fitted onto the door and the window. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि reed switch ज़्यादातर विंडोज डोर्स में ज़्यादातर यूज़ होते हैं और उसके साथ में एक मैग्नेट लगा होता है. वो जो reed switch होते हैं they are fixed होते हैं, उनके साथ एक मैग्नेट लगा होता है. जैसे ही अब हम if the door or the window is open, जैसे हम डोर या विंडो को ओपन करते हैं तो वो जो मैग्नेट होता है वो भी क्या हो जाता है, उससे थोड़ा सा दूर हो जाता है। जब वो दूर होता है तो उनका कांटेक्ट आपस में ख़त्म हो जाता है, तो एज अ रिज़ल्ट जो हमारे पास रीड स्विच है वो क्या हो जाता है, ऑफ होता है। ठीक है, विंडो इज ओपन, द स्विच कॉन्टैक्ट ओपन, स्विच कॉन्टैक्ट भी ओपन हो जाएंगे एंड अलार्म इज सेट ऑफ, और अलार्म क्या हो जाएगा, ऑफ हो जाएगा। ठीक है, so this is the application of the read switch. It is used in a burglar alarm circuits. ठीक है, so there is a two type of the bell push and the second one is that is the read switch. ठीक है, this is a magnet, when this is इस तरह होगा क्लोज, तो हमारे पास क्या होगा, ये रीड स्विच ऑन होगा। ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो जाएगी, करंट पास होगा। इफ इट इज just like this, so this switch is off, mean it is not closed, it is off. ठीक है, so these are the different electrical components which are used in electrical circuits.